My name is Kay. I am certified in mobile. Today I will show you one simple noodle dish, spring onion mixed noodles. First, you heat up the oils, and you can add the garlic. After, you can add the white part from the spring onion. So slowly to cook until the onion go to golden brown. So why we need to add the white part first? Because you need to cook longer time. After you almost cook like for 1 minute, and then you can add the green part also. This part is very important because you need to get all the flavor in the oil, and then after you have the sauce, have the onion flavor for your noodle. It's way better. So also your fire cannot be too strong. You need to keep to stir, because if you don't stir, they will very fast to get it burned, and then your flavor will be like have a no good flavor. So you need to slowly keep to stir to make sure your spring onion not burn, but until golden brown. So now you see the onion already golden brown. So you can turn slow the fire, and then you can add the soy sauce, the dark soy sauce, also the sugar. And then turn off the fire to let them infuse it a bit. So at this moment we can cook the noodles. So when you cook the noodle, no need to add salt, because all the sauce is the soy sauce, so you have really salty flavor. So if you add any salt inside, your noodles will be too salty. So you don't add any salt, just plain water to cook the noodles. Now also we can strain the sauce also. So you squeeze it a bit, let all the flavor go in. When you cook the noodles, you need to keep to stir them, otherwise they will stick together. After you strain, you can put the noodles in the mixing bowl. And then you can add your sauce. But you need to stir it a little bit, otherwise the oil and the sauce will separate. So after you mix it until all the noodles have the sauce, you can put on the plate already. After, you can put some spring onion, also the sesame. Peace and joy.